We have a unique way to transform your book into a unique work of art. All you need is a book, a ruler, and a pencil. Open our foldbook.art web application. This convenient web app doesn't require downloading and opens in any browser on any device. Now, the first step is to purchase a unique code on the website. The second step is to measure the book's dimensions: height, width, number of pages. The third step is to choose what you want to fold: text, symbol, date, or initials. Next, you can choose any comfortable folding speed. Here you can see the page layout. The fourth step is to mark the pages with a ruler and start folding. A fold book is a heartfelt gift, a stylish home decor item, or a creative way to breathe new life into an old book. Over 30,000 satisfied customers have already decorated their homes with fold book art. So now it's your turn to create your own piece of art.